Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day for this one today. Just to offer up a bit more context on what I mean by that, the price ultimately broke through. So it wasn't rough just because it was a big red day, but it was extra rough because from the technical point of view, you can see that this level here at $8 and basically 15 cents, give or take, had a track record of doing a fantastic job. Held as support. Held as support. Held as support. Unfortunately, today with that opening 30 minutes, no longer could hold as support, and that's what really opened up the floodgates. So 815 was the big technical level that was broken today, and that's also going to be a key level to watch moving forward. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's what 815 is representing. That initial area of resistance where if there is going to be any sort of attempted, bigger bounce to the upside, if the price can work its way back upwards, then that's where the big question mark is sitting in regards to, okay, it's gotten up there, but can it actually break up through that level? So that'll be, like I said, the main level to watch very closely in regards to whether or not this thing can build any sort of bigger traction to the upside. If the price can push up through there, next key level then to watch would be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and that sits up around the 835 mark. So you'll want to keep a close eye on that. But first off, the price just has to be able to break up through that initial red line there. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Just a question of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And the bleeding finally, not only stopped going down, but at least the price got a little bit of a bounce from there at 765. So that'll be the main level of support that you're going to want to watch. But yeah, as of right now, things are looking pretty shaky, but there is still, a few days left on the week. So we'll see if this little miniature bounce here can build some more momentum. But moving forward, interesting setup. But yeah, things are also looking relatively shaky at the same time. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.